Okay, so for today's craft activity, we are going to make a fish out of a plastic bottle. So you're going to need a plastic bottle and you're going to need a grown-up to cut it for you and put it together to start with. The first thing your grown-up is going to need to do is cut off the bottom of the plastic bottle. So I think it's easier to squeeze it and make a little cut. And then cut round it. So you don't need that bit anymore. Okay, then we're going to squish it. Okay, so it's nice and flat like that. Then we're going to make a kind of triangle, but a curved triangle that goes from about here to the back. So I'm going to make a curved triangle like that. I'm going to go down, it gets to there, and I'm going to come like that. And sometimes it's easier if you then staple those bits together so it doesn't move. There we go, like so. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. So I'm going to start this side, this one. To the end, then I'm going to staple those bits together. That's it, so it's starting to look a bit like a fish. Then I'm going to do a curved semicircle to cut out that middle bit to make the tail. It starts at the edge, then curved bits like so. So now your fish is ready to decorate. Okay, so then you need to cover your bottle with some glue. And then I'm just going to cover it with tissue paper, or you can paint it, or you can use lots of different types of paper. Anything you want really, you can decorate it however you like. You can cover it in glitter. I'm going to make mine a bit like Dory, so I've got some blue tissue paper. So I'm going to cover it in blue tissue paper. And you can put some on the top as well, and that will keep it nice and flat and shiny. So there is my Dory fish, and you can decorate the other side as well. You can put glitter on it, make it as colourful as you want, You could do a stripy one for Nemo or one with spots on. Why don't you try making your own bottle fish? See you soon!